Welcome to a journey from farm to table, a journey where safety, sustainability, and health are at the forefront. This is the story of how Hygiena helps transform the global food supply chain. Our story begins in the heart of agriculture. Lush fields and busy farms are the starting points of our food's journey. Here, the quality of grains and every animal raised requires care and precision. In these pastures and barns, the health of the environment and production animals is paramount. Hygiena's biosecurity and One Health Diagnostics solutions, such as ATP monitoring, ELISA and PCR tests, are crucial in early disease detection, ensuring livestock are healthy and thriving. In poultry production, for instance, as livestock is moved from farm to processing facilities, Hygiena's innovative solutions, like the BAC system Salquant, come into play, rigorously testing for pathogens and ensuring the highest standards of food safety. At every step, environmental monitoring is key. In production, right through to retail, regular testing with our industry-leading brands like UltraSnap and MicroSnap ensures food production remains contamination-free, upholding the highest safety standards. Through meticulous care in transportation and storage, our journey continues to retail outlets. Here, Hygiena's solutions ensure that what reaches the consumer is nothing but the best and safest. At the end of this chain are consumers like you and me, confidently choosing food products, assured of their safety and quality, thanks to the rigorous standards upheld by Hygiena. Behind this assurance is Hygiena's holistic One Health Diagnostics approach. We maintain the belief that the health of people is closely connected to the health of animals in our shared environment. From sample collection in the fields to sophisticated data management, Hygiena's suite of diagnostic solutions covers the entire spectrum of the food safety value chain. With the SureTrend digital platform, data analytics and decision-making come to the forefront. This platform simplifies complexities, empowering farmers, manufacturers and retailers with instant insights and strategic actions. Our actions and solutions resonate beyond borders, aligning with global sustainability goals. We're committed to a future where food security, clean water, and healthy land are not just ideals, but realities. Every step with Hygiena moves us towards a healthier, safer world. From field to plate, we're committed to innovative diagnostics for disease prevention and sustainable food for all.